Good evening, respected members, and hello, dear students. Hi, this is CA Pratik. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, GST and Customs Act Fun Learning. Today, I would like to discuss one important update which is developed on GST portal. This is for the benefit of exporters. See, let me explain you this update. Suppose you are a supplier, you are exporting goods outside India. Okay, now whenever you export the goods outside India, what can you claim? You can claim refund of the GST paid. Am I right? Now, in order to claim GST refund, we were required to disclose this export details, in which return GSTR1. In which tab? In tab number 6A, we were disclosing our export details. So this is tab 6A of GSTR1. You can see, click on add details. You will have to write the entire details of export. What was the invoice number? What was the invoice date? Port code, the main point, shipping bill if you are exporting goods. Every detail you were required to fill. And then there were two options, with LUT, without LUT. Correct. This details you were filling in GSTR1. And at the same time, you were also filling this details in GSTR 3B. वहां पे भी आप export के details you are again giving in tab 3.1 clause number B. Here zero rated, here in zero rated you used to disclose the export details. Correct? So you were giving export details in GSTR1 and the same export details amount you were also giving in GSTR3B. And after you are giving these details, your refund was getting processed either from custom department for goods or from GST department, as the case may be. इस तरीके से आपको refund मिलता था. Now you all are aware a new scheme has been developed. Quarterly GST returns, QRMP scheme and IFF scheme, quarterly return filing. So now what is this scheme saying? That if I am a registered person, registered in GST and my turnover is up to rupees 5 crore, I have an option, not compulsory, I have an option to file GSTR1 quarterly, 3 महीने में एक बार. And now in QRMP scheme, I also have an option to file GSTR3B monthly. Sorry, quarterly. Payment will continue to be monthly, but return will now be quarterly. So GSTR1 will also be quarterly. GSTR3B shall also be quarterly. Now think for a minute. If I am a registered taxable person in this QRMP scheme, agreed, say I have exported goods in January 2021. Month of January, may have exported goods. So now, since I am in this QRMP scheme, I will file GSTR1 of Jan to March quarterly. When? In April 2021. Also, I will file GSTR3B when? Quarterly. That also in April 21. So what is the conclusion coming out here? I've exported goods in January. I'm going to file returns quarterly in April. When will my refund get processed? In April 2021, when I will upload my GSTR1 details. Correct? Right? So now this was a huge issue. My working capital would have been completely blocked. मुझे refund आएगा ही नहीं. मेरा working capital would be affected. Right now, for to avoid this, government has made very good update on GST portal. Very good update. A new tab is developed. See this. Now you don't have to put this figure in GSTR1. The tab is standing outside. Table 6A. Here you can add the details of your export of goods or your export of services. So whatever goods you've exported in first 2 months or whenever, even if you're a monthly filer, you can add the details here. So आपकी जो भी export की details है, you don't have to rely on GSTR1 anymore. You can fill the details here, and from here, your refund shall get processed. Okay, so this is an excellent update on GST. Taxpayer registered person, I already started celebrating that now refund will be processed quickly. So GST refund for exports will now be processed quickly. But someone may be saying that first you have to fill these details in this tab, then again in GSTR1. No, you don't have to. Once you fill the details in this tab, in the respective quarterly GSTR1, this figure shall be auto-populated. You don't need to fill these details again. So laudable change, government has made a positive change here and exporters must take the benefit of it. Okay, so this was today's update. I'll keep sharing such updates with all of you. If you like, kindly subscribe my channel. And one important update about my GST course. Please listen.